I'm not wearing any makeup because it doesn't really matter. I'm showing you my art today. I brought my old sketchbook here and I decided to show you what's inside. I'll have to hide some things, but it doesn't really matter. Anyway, let's get into it. Here's my sketchbook. It's just stickers that I accumulated over the years. This is really old, and as you can see, fat. And on the outside, it's kind of ugly. I got these stickers in Austria when I was still a fan of MotoGP, and that was really fun. Whatever, let's just dig in. Okay, and here we have Urban Decay sent this to me, and I just put it in my sketchbook just to make me happy because it was a really cool PR package for Game of Thrones, which I never watched. Anyway, first page is always empty because I just don't like doing the first page. I'm gonna ruin the whole thing, so I don't do it. Next page is very special. Whenever I start a new sketchbook, I always do a little homage to my grandma because she was the artist in our family. So here she is at a, did I write anything? I didn't. This is my grandma right here. This is her art pieces, like little sculptures and things, and this is her drawings. She was a great artist, and this is the stuff that she did. I love these things. Did she write anything on the back? Yeah, she did. Aww. It says that an angel should look out for me whenever I am, and that is so adorable, and I love her. And she passed away in 2008, and I still keep her memory alive by doing art. This is my kind of first page. I was testing out my new Koliko markers, and yeah, I was scared to ruin the sketchbook. So this was kind of my reaction to the markers. And did they bleed through? Let's see. They did, though I didn't use them a lot after that. I kind of did them on the hair. I really like how I used to do this pencil sketch underneath and then some liner. That's really cool, I guess. And the Copic markers, damn, they were good, but I can't use them. I don't use them anymore. I don't know where they are. This is more of like a scrapbook, so it's a lot of like different things in here. Other sketchbooks are proper sketchbooks, it's just sketches, but this is a combination of both. So that explains the tickets and the random photos inside. Harry Potter ticket from 2016. I was at the Harry Potter Warner Bros. Studio tour in London. That was really fun. And here's an image of Princess Leia. What was this? I don't know where I got this, but I love Leia. This is a picture of me, I guess in 2016. I'm not sure, but I had red hair back then. Loved it. And that's why I have red hair again. By the way, I'm very sorry about this awkward angle, but I couldn't figure out another way to do it. Here's my little image of Castiel, and I don't know what this is. It's like, I like it, and I'm like, ew. So this was my OC, I guess. And this is different images of people falling, because I wanted to do a fallen angel. And then I think I did this in digital as well. Falling angels are fun to draw. I was always a big fan of angels, and these are the little satanic goats that I drew, and I love them. This is another OC with angel wings falling, because I loved to draw that. Don't think I'm still able to draw stuff like this. I'd have to practice. Next page is another little card. I love to collect these cute cards and putting them into my scrapbooks. This is Castiel. That is adorable. This was a oh my god, I forgot to spend this. It's not a lot, but that's why I wrote don't save too much. Oh my god, we got my first AdSense paycheck. This is from, do we have a date? We don't, but I think it was 2016, and there's nothing. I think this was just a verification. So that's why I wrote it's the little things, because I was so proud of finally making some money off of YouTube. And then some other images from Star Wars and Macon 2016. Can't see that. I was so adorable. I hated that cosplay. That was one of my worst cosplays. I have no idea what this is, but I guess this is just me wanting to keep this giant thing as a pet. I don't know. I can't explain it, so let's skip it. Next we have hugs. I guess I wanted to draw hair from the back especially, and that's why I drew, I think this should be Sam Winchester. Here's another little OC thing. Or is it an OC? I don't know what this is. I guess it's something from Supernatural. It could be Cass in his true form or whatever. Next page. Oh, the Sherlock Holmes Museum. I always keep these. I have so many. I've been to the Sherlock Holmes Museum like 6 times already. They still have the same tickets, so I love that. Then here's another Cass and myself. I like to draw my OCs that represent myself with different characters. It's a bit cringe, but I love to do that. Love the little gray moment they have going on here. This was one of the only times I actually used the Copics, and I guess the gray didn't, oh yeah. Then I put some stuff here so it wouldn't bleed through. I don't know what all this is. I don't know where I got it. This is Star Wars. I guess this is from France. I traveled a lot in 2016. It was a good year. And this is my drawing of Cass listening to Skrillex. and he thinks it's angels calling for help. And here, next page. Ooh, sexy stuff. I love her, but her face looks terrible. This would be much better. This looks good, but with the face, horrible. I don't know what this is. I don't know who this is, and I don't know what this is doing here. And this says not touching his D, because it looks like she's doing things, but she's not. Oh, Sherlock Holmes. I guess I got this when I bought the hoodie. I don't know if I wore it in the vlog, but I still wear it. It's my favorite hoodie from Sherlock. This was from a Doctor Strange t-shirt. I used to save everything, okay? I'm a hoarder. Oh, I know, it's Lucifer from Supernatural. Okay, it makes sense. I was a huge Supernatural fan. This is from when I got the Supernatural Angel Gonna Play hat from the Hollywood show, because I love the Hollywood show. It's my favorite thing ever. A ticket from Rogue One. But yeah, Mozart. I went with my mom. This was from my 17th birthday. That's me. I had black hair. Jorge Lorenzo helmet. Cake. Cringe. Some more things. This is a card for some reason. Oh, and it's hollow. Oh, so pretty. Lady Gaga ticket. When did I go to Lady Gaga? In 2014. Jesus, it's been 10 years. Love Gaga. This is me and my cat. Ran over by a car. Rest in peace. Some more things from Germany. I was in Germany with my dad in 2017. Me and my mom, I guess. Legoland, again with my dad, very cute. And some other cute drawings. I like to draw the pointy ears, but I don't have like a elf character that I will use often. And I love drawing feathers. This is from my mom. Oh yeah, this is a card that my mom sent me from Camino de Santiago when she went walking and she had a lot of fun. Oh my god, this is a ticket from Pirates of the Caribbean 5 and it was the worst Pirates movie ever made. An OC, I guess. I love to draw freckles. And this is Cass and Dean. And I love their profiles. Cass looks like a baby, but Dean kind of looks good. This, oh my god. I drew this when I was at work because I had these little, but they were in white and I loved to draw on them while I was at work because I couldn't bring my sketchbook. I was working as a barista and we didn't have a lot of customers, so I could draw. And then another OC, I designed her for, I think for some project, and I didn't want to work on it because I don't want to be an artist. Like, I don't want to draw things for money because I guess that takes all the energy out from me. But this was just a character that I did. Oh my god, I was obsessed with Top Gear. So I think this is really, really, really old. I think this is from school when one of my friends was really obsessed with Richard Hammond and oh, I completely forgot about this. This pre-Grand Tour times. I'm a huge fan of Grand Tour. May is my favorite and I tried drawing all of them. This is May, this is Clarkson. I guess he looks whack, and this is Hammond and he is saying my car is the lamest but the best. Oh my god, I completely forgot about that. And a mouse character, which is interesting because I did a book with my mom last year and it was about mice. Again, some more angel wings. These are so amazing. I love them, but what is this face? What is this? Rami Malek character from Night at the Museum? Is this also? Yeah, it's Vienna. Oh, some more drawings from work. Oh my god, they were so good. I love this purple pen. I can't find it anymore. I want to have the same one because it was so good. I can't find it. And feet. Somehow these feet look amazing. How did I do that? That must be some sort of magic. I can't believe that I drew that. Marc Marquez merch and Jorge Lorenzo merch. I think I got shirts or maybe hoodies. Then I got some more Copic markers. They were in the skin shades with like not very diverse. Another one of my OCs and Sam Winchester, and I love their hands. Some more Sam and whatever she is. I don't remember her name. Kung Fu Panda, Jack Black, hi. I don't know what this is, but it's Poe. Not sure, but very cute. Copic markers, sucked ass. Tickets, whatever. Some more stuffies. If I see anything interesting, I'm gonna mention it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna leave it out. I was watching Edward Scissorhands and I wanted to draw him in Tim Burton style. And I think it turned out pretty good, but I didn't finish him. Some more stuff. Ooh, tickets from, what was it? Germany? No, or was it from? I don't remember this. I think this was perfumes, but they don't. Do they still? Oh, they still kind of smell good. Kind of, a little, just a tiny bit. Airplane tickets to Paris. I went to Paris with my mom. Jack Sparrow, love his face. It's a little Tim Burton-ish. And here's my style. And oh, we went to Disneyland. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. We went to Disneyland. This is the photo pass, tickets, oh my god, I want to go back to Disneyland. It's been way too long. This is my aunt, because she went to Vienna with us, and I wanted to draw her because it was her birthday, and this is her drinking coffee in Tim Burton style. I wanted to copy his style for a while, and so I did that, but I didn't do it for a long time. Oh, the Slovenian Comic Con, the main Vidnega. I had an art stand in 2017. The convention didn't sell much, too much work. Never want to do it again. Don't think I would ever sell anything, so that's why I don't want to do it. Some more cosplay stuff. Oh, this dress, I love it. Oh, I got my first dream catcher, and it was handmade by Braula's workshop. This was, I guess, from my Kylo Ren draws, which is my old profile. It was for art, but I kind of don't use it anymore. This is Jesse Katsopoulos from Full House. Love the guy. So handsome. Jesus. And then Michelle from Full House. I guess I was watching a lot of Full House back then. I think this was a time when I was finishing my finishing high school. Ooh, a mermaid. This was for Mermaid, I guess. And she's gothic and pretty, and she has freckles. She's pretty awesome. Princess Leia. Oh, and here's my grandma again. This is my grandma, this is my mom, and this is my aunt. They're having fun. This is a very old photo, way before I existed, and they are just too adorable. I love finding these photos in my scrapbooks. Here's my demon OC. She was a little demon with fire for hair, kind of inspired by Hades from Hercules, and she's very sexy. I should draw her more. So adorable. And this is a tooth fairy. I guess I did use Copic markers a lot. Oh my, this is perfection. I mean, the skirt is very 2017, but she is so adorable. Some more stuff. What the hell is with this? I think this is Leonardo DiCaprio with his Oscar. This is modern style Link, and I love him. It's very basic, but he's cool. And I went to Hallstatt with my dad. I don't know what this is. This is Sherlock Holmes with John Watson, and I love drawing his coat. And he is so cute. And this is also John crying in his arms. Then my Star Wars OC's obsession started, and I guess this was Adam. I named him Adam. And I drew this while I was getting my driver's license when we were doing theory, so I had time to draw, and this was what I drew. As you can see here, I love drawing couples, so I drew that. Adam, I guess, from my Star Wars OC, and another one of my Star Wars OCs, she is his Padawan. Is her name Nya? I just know how to write it. I never said it. Naya? I guess it'll be Naya. That sounds better. I don't know what this is. Steve Jobs, Luke Skywalker. So random. Naya and Adam. And I love her little Star Trek reference. And he's so fed up with her. Oh, this is me as a baby. I mean, not a baby, but like I was, I guess, 10. And this was my first concert, Taboo, in 2011. This is Naya again. Copic markers. Awesome. I love her braid. And she had white hair, which is very, very basic for an OC. This is me on my dad's motorcycle, which he sold recently. This is, again, Naya and Adam when I was younger. This is Naya with her Kylo Ren mask, and she's saying, "What do you think of my Halloween costume?" And I think I wanted to draw Adam being very mad at her, but then I forgot. And this is Naya being totally in love with Kylo Ren, because, of course, I came up with her just to match her with Kylo Ren, duh. And this is his mask. Oh my god, this was when The Force Awakens came out. Why did I do this? This is Voldemort and Harry Potter, and they're eating popcorn. Oh, this is from the dinner with Jorge Lorenzo in 2017, and they misspelled my name. They usually misspell it anywhere else. They misspelled it right here because it should have been a K. It's very pretty. The food was kind of meh. I don't know what it was. If you know Spanish, you can read this and translate. I don't know what it is. This is Rhett and Link. This is what they looked like back then. Indiana Jones. Obsession with I almost said Han Solo, with Harrison Ford. I loved him. I rewatched the original 3 movies, I guess like every year. I kind of skipped the 4th one. Didn't like the 5th one. I think I drew this on a stream back then, and it was this goat. I love to draw goats. Don't draw them enough. Should draw more. Not sure what happened here, but this is a pirate. This is a Michael Jackson musical where I went with my mom. Oh yeah, I went to London with my mom. That's why there's gonna be a lot of London things. We went to the Tower of London. And I was what the hell? I had issues with my wrist, and when I don't rest my wrist enough, if I use another mouse or if I just game too much, I get very horrible pain in my wrist. I guess it's carpal tunnel, but back then it was horrible. Now it's a bit better because I know how to rest and how to, you know, exercise my wrist, so it's not as bad. Oh, and this was so good. I forgot I had this, but this was Chick Boy Pop Mix from London. They were so good, so I had to save the bag. That's how chaotic I am. Some more characters. Ooh, I went to the Bled castle where I live now. So this was a ticket for the castle. And the price was €7. I don't know how much it is today, but it is a lot more expensive. Love her. I said I didn't use Copic markers enough, and then there's a lot of colorful things. So I lie a lot apparently. And this was when I went to work as a flight attendant. This should be my schedule, I think. Oh my god, I don't even want to look at this because it's like giving me PTSD. This was my photo, which I did for my CV for Ryanair. It was so good, looked so professional, but my face is... I was such a baby. I got bodies and oh god, these are so good. I was featured in Cool, so I had to put these here because it was for my YouTube channel. It was so cool. And then they put this image in and I was so disappointed. I was like, are you serious? This is a screenshot you take. This is me in another style and a Starbucks cup because I was so obsessed with Starbucks before. We don't have Starbucks in Slovenia, so that's why I'm obsessed. If there was one, I probably wouldn't be. But you love the things that you don't have. Some logos, Mickey Mouse in kind of my style, some more characters. This is from Prague. Venice. Another card from my grandma and my grandpa. This is where I used my washi tapes to color the hair, and I think it came out looking good, but I never did that again. Oh, this is from the Steve Jobs Museum, because I'm such a Steve Jobs fan. This is in Prague, and it was so much fun. Some more washi tape action, which completely ruined the outline, but whatever. This is probably my mom's favorite picture. It's me when I was working and I have terrible social anxieties, so that's why I was hiding behind the, what's it called? The thing that you carry your things with, platen. I was so obsessed with Steve Jobs that I drew him a lot. And this is from another year of Macon. This is me as Sherlock Holmes with my friend's violin in my hands. Some more stickers, some more stuffs. What is this? Oh, like favorite animal, favorite flower, what I want to be in the future, and I always say happy. Favorite food is sushi. Something in my house, my Xbox controller. Favorite activity, photos and videos, and anything with my favorite color. I didn't want to draw that because it wasn't with the pencil anymore, so I quit. Stickers, young Steve Jobs. Oh, this is when I tried watercolors, I think, and I think I did good, but never did it again. Not in this sketchbook, I guess. I'm not sure. Freddie Mercury. Okay, whatever. I take it back. Watercolors. Love her hair. This one is cool as well. A combination of pencils and watercolors, and this is on photo paper because I was working at a photo studio and we had a lot of this shiny paper, and I loved drawing on it because it was so smooth, and I wasted a lot of paper there. And this is me from what, 2016 again? So I guess the picture before was, I guess, earlier. And this is later when I dyed my hair back to black. Oh my god, and this is Roger Taylor when he locked himself in a cupboard because they didn't want to release I'm in love with my car. Wonka bar. This is from Ireland in 2019 when we went to see this castle. I'm not sure what it's called. I want to art more, which is true. Steve Jobs. Slink Away card. This is Obi-Wan Kenobi and he's so handsome. I'm not sure. Some more cards, Steve Jobs pictures. I used to have these on my wall. If you're an OG fan, you remember these pictures from when they were behind my computer. This was a card that I tried selling, but I didn't sell because I didn't know how to promote myself. So I didn't. Zinsheim in Germany. This is from a fan. It's very adorable. Some more photos of me and my dad and me with hair extensions, and they were so good. But I didn't wear makeup, so I looked weird. And oh my god, my favorite Rockstar flavor, which I can't find anywhere anymore. It's so good. Oh, I think this was digital. Yeah, this was digital art actually, and I was so proud of it that I printed it out at the photo studio, put it in my sketchbook. Yeah, that was a big advantage of working at the photo studio because I could print out my images and put them in my sketchbook, and that was so cool. No, for free. Oh my god. This was at the height of me being a fangirl because when I worked at the photo studio, I could print out anything I wanted and I didn't have a lot of customers. I'm always lucky with my jobs. So I could just do this all day, like put in stickers, put in little images, and I was having so much fun with it that I stopped doing it. I think that's it. Yeah, and I drew this, and that's it basically. Do we have, yeah, we do have some more stuff in here, and I have no idea what it is. I think we have something special in here. A card that my mom sent me from Corsica. I did Gishwis, so I got an autograph by Misha Collins. You can only understand this if you were there at the time. Oh, we got these at in Ireland from our travel agency, which I could give to my boyfriend. I'm gonna give this to him. And the last one we have here is from Gardaland. This is a really old one. This is from, oh my god, 1992. So this is 5 years before I was born. This is what Gardaland used to look like, and it was so small. And I want to collect more of these, and I think I have more at home. I should put them together. I love looking at these old images, and I love collecting stuff like this. I think my mom gave this to me when she was in Gardaland with my dad. And that is it for this sketchbook. I hope you liked it. This is a very long video, and I'm so sorry, and I hope you watched at least some of it. I'm gonna do more sketchbook videos when I get my sketchbooks, and I hope you'll watch them. That is it. See you guys in the next video. Bye!